Hi, this is Deepak Jasani from HDFC Securities talking to you on 4th of February 2021 on expectations from the Monetary Policy Committee meeting, the outcome of which will be known tomorrow, that is on 5th of February. The Monetary Policy Committee will meet for the 6th and the last bi-monthly time in the current fiscal between February 3 and February 5. From the budget, the government's intent was clear to use expansionary fiscal policy to support growth without much worries about debt sustainability and sovereign rating. The fiscal deficit is pegged at 6.8% of the GDP in FY22 compared to a revised estimate of 9.5% in FY21. Slower than expected fiscal consolidation, as the government has laid the fiscal deficit target of below 4.5% by FY26, implies that the borrowing could remain elevated in the next few years. The higher than expected supply is likely to result in rates rising over the next few quarters. Although the economic survey highlighted that the economy has seen a resilient V-shaped recovery, the recovery is still nascent, warranting continued support from the RBI. CPI inflation has eased off materially, coming in at 4.6% in December 2020. This would be a comforting factor for the RBI and the Monetary Policy Committee. The fiscal deficit for FY22 is budgeted at 12.1 lakh crores, which in turn increases the supply of GSEC paper in the market. Given the high borrowing calendar ahead, it is imperative that the RBI intervenes in the GSEC market to anchor the yields and take care of demand-supply dynamics. RBI would be required to continue with its liquidity infusion measures via OMOs, TLTROs and LTROs. We expect the MPC to maintain status quo on policy rates, and the policy stance is likely to remain firmly accommodative. The RBI may opt to normalize the policy corridor in their meetings in the next fiscal. Given the fact that the economic survey has projected a real GDP growth of 11% in FY22 owing to statistical base effect, normalization of economic activities and as mass vaccination gains traction, MPC's growth expectation is likely to be on similar lines. Commentary on inflation outlook, guidance on managing liquidity, and measures to keep yields under control will be monitored in the upcoming MPC meet. Thank you.